County ya Kisii kubwatekana n'abayigirira bali magegajo wakwisiko ko mokonyo mu governor we county ya Kisii Robert Monda niko batebira ubunemero bili yabene nebike kogendera anemono bosibo gukia kumutiania oyo choreto guchikoba omokonyo mu governor we county ya Kisii Elijah Bebo maegayo yo kabira sekerge kyokorokana wakwisiko korwase county nabo igoikase bunge area ya senate kolengana no moigereria korwase county assembly niko wanoli tukorera baikirana sekegambiro likonyara gotegererwa maegaye Ekina kyabegetu ekegambero ngari kwamirelio gotiani gukwa Elijah Bebo kolengano mona chebina ase ekegambero kya Kisii niko wanatebera buna Ekina kigo kirategererwe na kuna chua stariki 14 muri tukule jumaini ikyegocha nalibara chikumanya so bwasi ole Gusii Elijah Bebo na chikotiani gwa maiga Ekina kobekwa ase ekegambero kya machako se so kwamirera ogotiani gukwa Elijah Bebo uno mokonyi bo mu governor we county ya Kisii niko chinga gechi batebera buna mbale no kwegera no gosemera buna ekegambero ngo chikona Ekina kyo kolengana no kugania anemono kubwatia marali atekeire bunenchira moyo kunyira kuri bagalia bene ase Elijah Bebo gochigotiani gwa kobo mokonyu mu governor we county ya Kisii na bo inyurani go oyo kabere mu governor osomo konyu mu governor we county ya Kisii Robert Monda era bwango igabe atakayikaseke gambiro na kwamereria buna senate na chetio kana chokwa ya senchire bwenete Ekina kya yabo igoni go kirategero tukere jumaine wego starike chiko munisana naye mogo sengo tigarale ko obisi oseniga wako isiko kurwa sobo konyu mu governor we county ya Kisii engana irategero tukere jumaine ikego chakolinda sasa mu yuko mirogoteni gukwaye nabamangana lenga igaseri tuko ya lero.
Assembly defending the impeachment that we did successively against the former deputy governor Dr. Monda. Dr. Monda, through his surrogates and proxies, filed petitions in Machakos. The petitions were taken to Nairobi for directions by the principal judge, and the principal judge directed that the petition be mentioned before Justice Okwani today. So we were here to argue the various applications and to get directions on how to dispose of those matters. It has been directed that we deal with those matters on 16th in the afternoon. There are no the judge has declined to extend any interim orders. Some petitions have been withdrawn with notice of withdrawal being marked, and therefore we'll get further directions on Tuesday when this matter comes up. But the interpretation of opposition is that there are no orders that stops any process from going on, be it the gazettement of the impeachment, be it the moving the Chief Justice to designate a judge to swear in the deputy governor-elect so that Kisii County people can be substantively represented and be able to enjoy their sovereignty. That's all. No, we have all the confidence